the total surface area, right pyramid. Alright, so your shape, right pyramid. Maksudnya tapak dia square lah. Okay, piramid tahu. Ni kan. Macam ni punya kan, betul? Tengah-tengah height of the pyramid, betul? Square base length is x. So total surface area is 72 meters square. This is fixed. Alright. Show that the volume, given that the volume square is equals to 144 x squared minus 4x power of 4. So you want to find your volume first, then only you square your volume to show you get this. Alright? Then, if the x is varies, means your x is variable, find your value of x such that this volume is to be maximum, to be maximized, and obtain this maximum volume, maximum value. Alright, so volume of the pyramid, how to find? Benda tajam, formula dia mesti start dengan 1/3. Macam cone, piramid, semua start dengan 1/3. Okay, benda tajam. So 1/3 base times height. The base here is x squared times height. So the problem is your volume in two variables. One is your x, one is your height. In your answer that you need to show here, v squared is without the height. Without the height means your h here have to be multiplied into another equation. Okay, so what kind of equation we can relate? Come from its surface area. Pyramid surface area. So pyramid surface area, you will have 1 square at the bottom, and then four surface of the triangle, right? So bottom, you can know this is x times x. So how to find this triangle surface area? Surface area of triangle, you need your base times your, so this height is not the pyramid height. Understand not? This height is not the pyramid height. This height is the triangle height. So dia kalau you tengok tepi, dia ini senyap punya height pyramid tengah-tengah, macam tiang tengah-tengah. Alright? So what do you need? You need to find what is the value of your height of the triangle. Okay. What can we observe here? We can see the Pythagoras theorem. Triangle here. Ini adalah height. Ini adalah height piramid. Betul? Ini adalah permukaan yang sandar dekat tengah-tengah sini, betul? Di tapak ni. So tapak ni berapa? X over 2. So this one we put hypotenuse lah. Hypotenuse, or I put Y. I don't put H, I put Y. I put Y to represent this triangle. Boleh? So how to get this Y? Y is equals to, Y square is equals to so Y is equals to Pythagoras theorem ya, A square, B square. So ni tinggi, the height of the triangle is Y equals to square root. Simplify this. X square over 4 plus H square. Percaya? Okay. Surface area 72. Square at the bottom, x square. Ada 4 segitiga ini. Segitiga ialah 1/2 the base times the y. Faham? Faham? So this one can be cancelled. So 72 equals to x square plus 2x. What's your y? This one, betul? So actually what do you want to find? Buat sampai sekarang dah. You remember what do you want to find? Actually we want to find out what is our h. Buat banyak-banyak dah lupa dah. Actually we want to find out our h. Apa yang boleh diganti dengan h menggunakan surface area. Boleh? So saya nak tahu apa h di sini. Okay, keluarkan h dia. Keluarkan satu persatu. We make this one as a subject. Move your 2x. (72/2) x. So x squared over 2x. Square root. Going to square both sides. And then lastly your h squared is equals to okay, simplify this. Expand, simplify this. A square, 36 square, how much? How much is your 36 square? Berapa? Tak dengar. The 2AB 2AB potong 36, betul? Then B square, X square, so this one minus, cancel. So H is square root of 1296 over X square minus 36. Okay, finally you get your H. Back to the main business there, find the volume. Apa tak faham? Faham tak faham? Mana? Why?
When we combine 36 over x times is 1 more.
A minus B square, A square minus 2AB, then plus B square. A square get this. Then 2 times this, get this. Then this b square, get this. Then at the back here, just now I moved the x square over 4. So coincident, these last two terms, they are same. Simplify. So we get this. Alright? Alright? Okay, so get back to the volume. Get back to the volume. Where the volume is 1 over 3x squared times h. So 1 over 3x squared times the square root of. Alright, this one just only volume. Are you getting volume? No, you want to make the volume square. Alright, so we're going to square both sides to make the volume square. So after this volume square, it will be in your indices properties like A times B square, it will be A square, B square. Setiap item dalam ni kena square lah. So 1 over 3 square become 1 over 9. X square and square become x power of 4. This one square root and square cancel the square root. Remain 1296 over x square minus 36. So look at the answer again. What they ask, or they ask us to expand until we get 144 like this. Boleh? So kita kembang. Expand this one. 1296 times over 9. Is it 144? Is it 144? So 144. So x4 over x squared. 36 over 9, 4. Same? Yes. Shown. Okay, so continue. If your x is varies, find the value of x such that your volume is maximum. How to get maximum? Differentiate, let it. Yes, differentiate, let it 0. But your challenge here is, it is not v only. Your equation is v square equals to 144 x square minus 4x4. Differentiate respect to x. 2v dv dx. Implicit. Your equation here is implicit. So how to get this implicit equation? Maximum, differentiate respect to x. Alright, so this one, power move to the front. 288, power minus 1. Power move to the front, power minus 1. V square, you move it, become 1 or 2, kan? Apapun boleh. So it will become explicit again. Okay, kan? You want to do explicit. So dia akan jadi 144x square minus 4x power 4 power 1 over 2. So we ignore the negative. Volume won't have negative. Alright, in this context, we can ignore the negative because we apply to the volume won't have negative function. Alright, so this one you will differentiate it respect to x. Dia akan jadi explicit balik lah. Tadi saya buat implicit kan. So kalau you senang, you nak buat explicit, kita buat explicit. Then power rule. Power turun depan. Power tolak 1. Differentiate dalam kurungan. Then make it 0. make it 0. So make this one, this all factor become 0. So 1/2 times 0, 0. This one. Ni penyebut kan? Betul? Kalau kita tulis dengan baik, your equation now is like this. Equals to 0. So kita nak cari X, penyebut darab akan hilang kan, betul? So you akan tinggal 288X minus 16X cube equals to 0. Factorize this. Boleh kecilkan dia. Can we divide by 8? Can we divide by 8? Boleh kecilkan dia, divide by 8. $36. Is it 36? Oh, still masih lagi boleh. It's not divide by 8, can divide by 16. This one is 18x. Then we do factorize, take out the x. So your x here is equal to 0 and x squared is equals to 18. So x will be equals to positive negative square root 18. Dia ada 3 nilai. 3 nilai. Faham? 3 nilai critical. Then look back on your x. This is application questions. Apa yang diwakili dengan x? X is represented by the length. Although you have 3 critical number, but x is a length. In the context of when x is a length, could it be negative? Could it be 0? When it's 0, it won't be the shape anymore. When negative, it is not possible. So only the critical x we can focus here will be square root 18. This one the positive length. Faham ke? Dia ada 3 critical number dia, tapi tak sesuai lah untuk yang negatif dengan yang kosong. So yang itu semua kena reject sebab x is a length. So we only focus on the critical number which is positive. Alright. So after you get critical number, the next step is you need to do test. Alright. You want to use first derivative test or second derivative test? If you want to do second derivative test, you need to differentiate again. No. So in this context, we won't choose second derivative test because we want to differentiate this one more, it's very complicated. We just proceed with first derivative test. So first derivative test is observe about the tangent. Tengok tangent turun naik. Tengok ada tak dia jadi maximum ke minimum. So in your first derivative test, you need your table to find your interval of x. What is your interval of x? Which is the x before square root 18 and the x after square root 18. Ini critical number kamu. Kita nak tengok tangent sebelum dia dengan tangent selepas dia. Tengok ada tak dia turun, lepas tu dia naik. Ataupun dia naik, ataupun dia turun. Okay? Then we pick a test value randomly within the interval to put into first derivative test, which is to put into your dvdx. And then we observe the conclusion from the tangent. Alright, so square root 18 in decimal less than it. What's the test value we can put? Square root 18 berapa? Huh? 4.2 something. So we can put 4. We can put 4. You don't put 0 because 0 is your critical number. You don't forget you still have critical number up here. Faham? You kena kurang daripada square root 18 tapi you jangan sentuh critical number yang lain. So less than that I put 4 lah. More than that this one I put 5. So you just press calculator on this. Tekan je. Masuk ni nak tengok dia positif ke negatif. So when you get positive, tangent going up. When you get negative, tangent going down. So from here we can verify that your critical number, this one is maximum. Okay, continue. After you maximize, you read back your questions. Find your value of x for the maximum. We done already just now, right? And obtain its maximum value. Means they want volume maximum dia berapa. Apakah volume maximum dia? Use your x, substitute back to your volume. Okay, can get 36. Tekan calculator ya.